Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Rashmi. I'm here today with a hair mask, a banana hair mask, which is going to make your hair super soft and shiny and strong as well. As we all probably know that banana has many qualities in it, which is very good for the skin and the hair. It is very full of phosphorus, and especially the ripe bananas, which you think that nobody's gonna eat and you're about to throw them. Do not throw them, keep them and use them for your hair and your skin, because if you cannot eat them, that's fine, but the ripe bananas are very concentrated in potassium, and that is very good for the hair. It makes your hair stronger and shinier. I've already done the mask, which I will show you in the video, but this is the after result. As I've always said, I don't have very thick hair. My hair is not like very dense and very full and whatnot. I have thin hair, but I try to do things to keep my hair healthy, to have reduced hair fall, and to keep the good health of my hair. I try to at least maintain what I have. So I keep doing these masks, and obviously you're not gonna see like wow, thick full hair and whatnot. That's not the main purpose of my videos. What I'm trying to do is just, make the best of what I have, keep it intact, less hair fall, faster hair growth, soft and shiny hair. Plus I do style my hair with hot tools, so it gets burnt and whatnot. So at least this way it gives some protection to my hair. So this is the after. I have washed my hair, and there is no chunks of banana left in my hair. Please make sure that when you blend the mixture, blend it for like a good 1 minute. Make sure there is no lumps inside, because once the lumpy banana gets in your hair, even if you wash it, it's still gonna be there, and then you'll try to take it off and it's gonna be a little smelly. So make sure that there is no lumps in the mixture. And see, like right now you don't see anything. Everything, whatever little bit was left over, has flown away. I just blow dried my hair. I have not straightened it, or I have not used any hot tools on it, just a blow dryer. And you can also add, if you have a problem with dandruff, you can also add tea tree oil, just like maybe 5 or 6 drops of tea tree oil to this mask. You can also add lemon juice to this mask if you have problem with dandruff, or you can still add lemon juice. Just it's going to make your hair more shiny. I did not have any lemon today, so I did not add it, but I wanted to put it out there. And I also showed a cap which I'm wearing at the end. It's a heated cap, and that is available on Amazon. That's where I got it from. I will be putting the link down below in the description box. If anybody wants to buy it, you can just click on that link and you'll be able to buy that heated cap. It's pretty good, better than soaking the hot towel in hot water and then wrapping it on your hair. So the cap is more convenient. And I believe that's all I want to say. So before we begin with the video, please make sure to thumbs up this video, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below. Let me know what other kind of videos you guys would like to see. And I hope you're loving my videos. If there is anything different you would like to see, or because my channel is new, I am still learning. It's a very new thing for me. Maybe I am making some mistakes, or maybe something different needs to be done. Please do let me know. I would love to know your thoughts, good or bad. I would love to know if you can let me know in the comments down below. And when you comment on my videos and you thumbs up my videos, when you give me a like on my videos, it really boosts my videos. My channel is new, so it helps me grow my channel, because then YouTube will promote my channel to other people who will then subscribe, and I'll have more subscribers that way, so more people will watch my videos. So if you can please comment down below and hit that like button, I will really appreciate that. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So let's look at the ingredients that we're gonna need for this mask. I have 2 very ripe bananas, and they were about to be thrown away like few days ago, but I kept them and I let them ripe some more on purpose. So the riper the banana, the better for you. I have 2 of them, but I'm not gonna use both. I'll just use 1 because I don't need that much. I have 2 big spoons of yogurt. This is like three of these, like 3 teaspoons or 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Now you will take as much as you need for your hair as per your length. The next one is honey. Honey is very moisturizing for the hair. It also has antibacterial properties. So if you have dandruff or any skin allergies, honey would really help with that as well. Plus, it's going to make your hair softer and then we need a hair dye bottle. This one I've showed it many times before in my other masks. It's a bottle which I saved from one of my hair dye boxes, and I've chopped off the lid and made it pretty big so that it's easy for the mixture to come out. So I'm gonna make the paste and pour it in this bottle. So what we're gonna do is we are going to put everything in a mixie jar and chop it up. I mean, make a nice smooth paste. So the banana is in there. It's very, very ripe. It's almost about to get rotten. So I'm going to add the yogurt in there. I'll be adding maybe like 1 teaspoon of honey, not too much. And then we will add some oil in there. Maybe 2 teaspoons of oil. So since we have the oil in there and we have yogurt, which are both watery, we won't be needing any water to make the paste out of this. And now we'll make a paste. So guys, I have made a very, very smooth paste because we don't want any chunks in this mask, because otherwise these chunks will not come out from the hair if you have any of the chunks left. So it's a very, very smooth liquidy paste, and now I'll show you the application. So as usual, I have a plastic bag which I'm going to wear on my head as a protective cap, so that anything that drips is going to stay inside and not all over me. So I'll leave this mask on for 2 hours, but in the last half hour before I'm gonna step in the shower, what I'll do is I will wear a heated cap. Now this is a heated cap. Okay, it comes with a wire. It is supposed to be plugged in, so I'm not able to move around when I'm wearing this cap. This cap generates heat inside, and I just wear it on my head like this. And I tighten it with this thread. Okay, and then I just plug it in and turn it on. So I'll be wearing this heated cap for 30 minutes before I step in the shower to give it some heat, and then I'll wash my hair as normal. While I do this, obviously I can't move around, so I'll be sitting and doing my work, like editing this video or something. But I do this even, this heated cap can be worn even while you're just applying just regular hair oil, and just you want to give some heat, like a heat treatment, a hot towel treatment to your hair. Instead of doing that, you can do this, and there's no mess. And plus this plastic part, it comes off, so you can actually wash it, so there's no mess either, there's no smell or whatever. So that's gonna be it, and I hope you guys like this video. Do share it, comment down below, let me know what else you would like to see from me. How are you liking my videos? Is there anything different that you would like me to do? Any other topics or any questions, please let me know, and do thumbs up this video and subscribe to my channel. And until next time, I'll see you all. Bye bye.